What's up guys, my name is Devinhuynh. Welcome to 11% Tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can bring your music video effects to the next level by using this insane preset pack. Nowadays, rappers and artists are really wanting their music videos and effects done a lot faster, and their expectations for the quality are not dropping either. If you want to be a video editor or videographer in this field, it's vital that you can provide fast edits, high quality edits, and also music videos that are also changing the game and just constantly evolving and are just helping bring these artists' music video game to the next level. Which is why today we're going over no other pack than the Toko graphics preset pack. This pack, first off, I just gotta say, is absolutely incredible. It comes with over 2,200 presets. Like, let's just get this down. 2,200 presets. That is insane. It's an absolutely incredible preset pack. It comes with glitch effects, transitions, lower thirds effects, typography, iOS graphics, text graphics, just the list keeps going on and on and on. It's absolutely an incredible pack. And guess this, it's only for 70 bucks. You know what? I can't even do the math right now. I literally just took the AP calculus exam like last week, but I'm gonna put the math on the screen right here. This is literally how much you're paying for each preset right here. This is how much you're paying for each preset. That is incredible. Besides coming with an incredible 2,200 presets, all titles are fully customizable, adjustable to any dimensions, and also they come with free updates. What's really incredible is just the amount that you can leverage this preset pack, especially to fit your music videos and really take your projects to the next level. But before we get started, if you guys are new to this channel, if you guys find this video interesting, please be sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe. It's free, all this content is free, so it'd really mean a lot if you guys could. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video on how you can use the Toko presets graphics pack to seriously up your music video game. Let's go. So one of the first things that we're gonna do is obviously when you get the file project from Envato Elements or their website or wherever that is, you're going to get a giant folder with a bunch of other folders, and there's gonna be a bunch of these crazy folders named typos, graphics, backgrounds, transitions, just all the different elements. So let's say something like the kinetic titles right here. So if we click on this, you're just gonna get a bunch of different mogrt files, and then you're gonna have to put these in Premiere Pro. So how do we actually do that? Well, it's actually very simple. We just simply drag and drop. So come over here to Premiere Pro, and I want you to go to your Essential Graphics panel and click Browse. If you don't see that, you can come over here to Window, hit Workspaces, and then you can just click on Essentials or Graphics. Then all you're simply going to do is just select all of these mogrt files and then just pretty much drag them into the browse template, and then there you go, it just loaded in. And now you should see, if we search kinetic, boom, here are all our kinetic titles, and they're imported easily into Premiere Pro, and we can simply just drag and drop them onto our video footage. You can already see this is really pretty cool. This is a 1080 video sequence right here, but all these clips are already in 4K, which is really incredible. Quality is so good that I actually have to scale it down just so it fits ours. But yeah, if you don't want to edit on 4K, you can just simply scale the stuff down. So already, if you search Toko under your Essential Graphics, you're just gonna see all 2,500 graphics, and you can see these are really crazy. Now you can see the aesthetic for Toko graphics is very clean, it's very unique and just like very stylish. It's good for a lot of techie and like product ad brands, which is great. So if you want to do that as well, you can totally use this. This is actually perfect for that. But we're gonna actually use this to implement them into our music videos and just try to speed up the process with that as well. And of course, one of the most important parts of music videos are the title cards. Now the title cards are great on Toko graphics as well. So if we search our Toko title graphics right here, you'll see that they have a bunch of crazy titles right here. So let's go right here with this kinetic typography one. We're gonna scale it down just a bit, and you can already see off the bat, it looks pretty decent. And the coolest thing about this is it's animated. So if we play this out, you can see we have a nice title going on right here. And then we can just, of course, just go ahead and change this, boom, voila. And already you can see there are so many options to just easily customize stuff. So if we want this logo just a little bit smaller, we can just simply drag down the font and the placement and spacing. And it's just really cool and super easy to use. Honestly, it has to be why I love this graphics pack so much, because just of the simplicity of it all. So right there, we're easily just able to create a nice, cool title card with that for this drone shot. And already you can see there's some cool animation to it, and it just overall looks pretty cool. And if you don't like that one, you can just keep scrolling, and there are seriously so many titles. Title doesn't even have to be for the title of the music video. Let's just do that. And if we scale this down, we can of course create title cards for director cards as well, like shot by your name. This is always my favorite title card of the music video. I wonder why. And right here you can see it's already pre-animated, and it just creates an overall cooler, unique look to your videos. Look at how much time you're saving. If you had to go ahead and animate all of this, go hop in After Effects or Premiere Pro, add all the keyframes, like this would have taken an extra hour. Let's be honest. It's right here. It's right here. And there's so many different variations that you can choose from if you don't like this one. It's really, really incredible just the stuff that you can do with Toko graphics, and especially how much time it's saving. And there's so many more designs. I really can't even go over all of them at once. So you just have to go check this out. Please do, in the link in the description. And also, if you're looking to spice up your music video title designs, you can go ahead and check out our 11% preset title pack right here. This pack as well, just like Toko graphics, we've worked incredibly hard on this one. This one, I've designed all the titles, 15 titles personally by myself, just to create cool, unique looks for you guys. They're not animated to the level of quality that Toko graphics has, but you can really just simply easy drag on some stuff and create some unique titles as well for your videos. Moving on to one of my favorite part about Toko graphics presets pack. Now this one has to be the iOS graphics. Now, like I mentioned, Toko graphics is really designed and aimed towards more of a tech and like product ad video editing style, but there's some great ways that you can incorporate these graphics into your music videos as well. For one, I always like to have a story sequence in my music videos. This is from one of my music videos I shot in the past, and we had a texting scene, and I actually wanted to incorporate like a texting icon bubble into the video, but there was this tight deadline and I just didn't have the time. Yet if I had Toko graphics, this really would have saved the game, because what do you know, they have a iOS text messaging preset pack, and look at that. I searched up in the browse, dragged it on, and I could just scale it around and place it literally wherever I want. If we play this animation out, look at how beautiful that animation is. Typing animation, and then there's like a little pop-up bounce to it. It's really cool. And the best part of it all, of course, you can customize the text. So let's just like make him say something really cringe. I'm just kidding. This is my friend Ryan, 18babyl. Definitely make sure to go check out his music. And of course, it comes with the sender name right here. So we can just go ahead and change this. Boom, perfect. The bubble pops up, the text animation is there, and it really looks like Ryan just typed that in the message. And it's just really cool, super fun way to mess around with text messages. And of course, they have the left and right sides as well, so you can go ahead and add a response if you would like to. So let's just go ahead and scale this one down and place it a little bit lower. And of course, you can change the box color, and of course you can change the box color to the gray text message response, and some of the text color to this like a black darker message. Voila, look at that. We already created a super easy text message animation that was really fun and simple and fast to recreate. And we did this all with the Toko graphics right here. It's really super fun and easy to mess around with. And might add, they have countless iterations if you want Instagram texting, WhatsApp texting, God forbid WhatsApp texting. You guys are trying to hit up a girl on WhatsApp. I really don't know what y'all be doing, but there's so many different iterations, really fun to mess around with and play with, and just the options and customization that they have and they give you is really incredible. They even have a position in here. I don't even know why I was adjusting the actual position of the tail. You can change the tail size as well. This is actually a little bit more fitting to iOS right here. Yep, this one, the little curve. So you can just change the tail curve. It's really incredible, just the customization that they give you to it, and the level of quality, it's absolutely incredible. Also, might I add, Instagram tags as well. Instagram tags, this could apply for your music videos, but also vlogs as well. But I always like to add Instagram tags in my vlogs, and adding the Instagram tags and animation is like the part that I absolutely hate the most. And what do you know, that Toko graphics actually has a social media preset pack where you can just add all, like pretty much all the features and UI of Instagram. They literally made into a Premiere Pro mogrt file. So let's go right here. Like, there's notifications. It's absolutely incredible. Let's go ahead and find, oh, here's one right here. This is a very simple one. But this one right here, just we got a nice, cool pop-up Instagram bubble. And look at that, super quick, nice, just fancy animation. Let's change the font a little bit. You can go ahead and just add that, slap that onto your videos. And then of course you can obviously change the text. And look how easy what that was with just the amount of quality that it really gives you. And like I said, there's so many more you can choose from. I'm gonna go ahead and add like an actual tag. And guess what? Toko graphics has the Instagram tag right here. I can go ahead and just set this box color to like that dark gray Instagram box tag. We can even change like the roundness, just all sorts of different factors. And then of course, add the tag. So boom, just like that, we can go ahead and add a tag, and let's change the font to something more Instagram friendly. And voila, we can just go ahead and scale that down. And if we place it right here, boom, you got an Instagram tag to add that tracking to it. you can of course obviously do that. Now there's a lot of great ways to add tracking nowadays. I know especially that we're in the age of AI. They're like, don't even flame me for doing this right now, but I of course just, you know, simple clips like this. Good old keyframes never hurt. You can just hit the keyframe position icon and let's just keyframe this to fit and stay locked on to that chain. And now, yeah, excuse my terrible tracking, but boom, there we go. We have a great Instagram tag and it's tracked on and it already has all the animation to it. And look at this, as you can see, I'm keep scrolling. There's still so many more Instagram graphics that I haven't even used. I find it so cool that they actually have these. I honestly don't know how you could incorporate this into a music video, but this is just cool. Like there's a actual poll right here with animation and it gives you a right answer as well. Like, come on, they really did the most with this. You got to give it to them for this. With this graphics pack being so expansive as well, there's so many different ways that you can just change and iterate things. I like to even use and mess around with some of the poster graphics as well and use them as titles, not even like actual title cards. So right here, this one right here is really cool. So like this one right here, this one's especially cool. You can just go ahead and just change the text and let's change the font to something more appealing. There we go, boom. Scale it down just a tad bit. And so let's say, for example, this clip right here, I just want this text to be over the actual video footage. I can set this to screen and boom, there we go. We have a sick title for like a music video opener or whatever you want to do. And there's animation to it, of course. And it's just really incredible, just the stuff that you can do with it. This chroma blur and everything, it just really looks super cool. I bet even if you were to take this in After Effects, rotoscope him out, put him over the text, it would really give you a sick result. And lastly, let's move into the last final way that you can implement the Toko graphics into your music videos, that being the logo openers. Now, what's a good music video without a good video production title logo opener? Shout out to Cole Bennett for literally like carrying the logo openings. But look at this, if you type up logo openers, they have countless logo openers. Now, these are all, like I mentioned, tech kind of based designs, but I'm sure with some good tweaking, you can definitely make these look like some music video ones. Simply replace the actual logo with your finder. Oh, what do you know? A Lyrical Lemonade 11% carton. You can just go ahead and just implement that in right there into the center, scale it up, adjust the size. And if we play that out, boom. We got a crazy logo intro already off the bat, fully animated, and all we did was simply implement our logo right there in the center. Absolutely incredible. Let's go ahead and mess around with one more. So this one right here, we can just replace from our finder. Let's find an 11% logo. Boom, and if we just drag that in, we can just scale down our logos to fit the actual graphics, and boom, if we just play that out, voila, we have a great, incredible logo intro or closer if you prefer. And really just what a great way to just spice up your music videos overall. And with that, here are some of the final results. Really, this is an incredible pack. I really recommend that you guys go check this one out for sure. The link is right here in the description below. It's only $60, but with a subscription to Envato Elements, you can get access to over hundreds of thousands of preset packs for Premiere Pro just like this, all only for the yearly cost. I think I paid something like 70 bucks, and I use Envato Elements all the time. And what do you know, Toko Graphics is also on Envato Elements as well. So definitely go make sure to check them both out. It's really great, awesome way to spice up and enhance your videos. Without further ado, here are the final results. Made it to the end of the video. Thank you again so much for watching. If you guys really found this video interesting and are definitely digging this pack, please really be sure to go check out the Toko Presets graphics pack in the link down below in the description. The team behind this, they like seriously, they put a serious incredible amount of effort into this preset pack. You can check it out here in the link down below in the description or by signing up to Envato Elements. For those of you who don't know, Envato Elements is basically an incredible library with just over millions and millions of preset title packs. It's absolutely incredible, just the amount of quality and graphics. They do stuff that's not even just video templates, photo templates, PSD templates. It's absolutely incredible. You have to check out that library. If you subscribe to Envato Elements, you will get 100% access to the Toko Presets graphics pack. So definitely make sure to go check those out. If you had any questions or thoughts or concerns about this video, please be sure to leave a comment down below. I love to hear what you guys have to say. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.